Hey, hey, hey. Here we are down at the Bradenton Riverwalk. This is the Riverwalk in Bradenton. It starts right by Manatee Memorial Hospital here. And here's Kev. And off we go down the Riverwalk. So this is a really fun place to skate. It's kind of a little bit of a cloudy day, but the sun's been peeking through now and then. The Riverwalk has been here for I don't know how many years, several years, here along the Manatee River in Bradenton. And it starts, like I said, here from basically from the Manatee Memorial Hospital. What are you trying to do, exercises? But the Riverwalk is a nice, of course, paved, or part of it's brick, or like pavers, for skating, walking, running, biking. There's a little exercise station here, as you can see, if you're into that kind of thing. Yeah, a lot of times people are out here walking their dogs. Oh, Kevin's getting fancy over here.
Turn it around.
Turn it around. Turn it around. So yeah, it's a fun place to come if you're in this area for skating, because it's generally pretty smooth and nice. And of course, you don't have to worry about like cars, you know. Usually you see lots of dogs. Here comes a beautiful dog coming toward us. Is that a Wheaton? No.
It's an Australian Labradoodle.
Australian Labradoodle. Oh wow, that's a beautiful dog. All right. Australian Labradoodle there. Yeah. So you see what's?
Water's calm today.
Yeah, this is the Manatee River. It's very calm. We're going under one bridge, which is the bridge for 1st Street or 301. And to our left, up there, is the bowl at the Riverwalk Skate Park. We're going to be skating right past Riverwalk Skate Park, which is a really nice skate park right here along the banks of the Manatee River, under the bridge. Yeah, it rained a little, has been raining a little, so there's Riverwalk Skate Park. It's a really nice skate park if you happen to be in the area. Goes up to a big bowl at that end, and then down to a smaller bowl at this end, with a street course in the middle. Under the bridge here is a great spot for fishing from time to time. People come out here and fish. That's the other end of the skate park. Up here at this vert wall, this end of the little bowl, and bathrooms. So, Riverwalk's like 1.5 miles long, water fountain. So if you're looking to get in some miles, to go from one end to the other, is about 1.5 miles. Some nice places. Oh, to play beach volleyball. Here's a beach volleyball court. Some little benches to hang out on. It's a really nice area. A lot of times, if you're lucky, and you're walking around or skating around out here, you might see dolphins. I've seen dolphins. I've seen manatees. You never know what you'll see. One time a manta ray. That was kind of unusual. Show us a trick, Kevin. So if you ever happen to be in Manatee County in Bradenton, Riverwalk is a fun place to skate. And it basically takes you all the way into downtown Bradenton, which is pretty nice for skating too. There's some parking garages in downtown Bradenton and some smooth sidewalks and so forth. So it can be like a little, you know, skate adventure day. So it's very nice. There is, hello. Yeah, there's the, you can see the bridge for the railroad tracks over there, which is right now lifted. And then beyond it is the second bridge, the green bridge, that we will skate under into downtown. Riverwalk has, ooh, big jump, Kevin. Riverwalk has this fun kid area over here, playground, Playground area to the left. Hello, kids. And after the playground, there's a nice big swing. I think that's new. That's pretty cool. And there's a water park as well. A water fountain. Yeah. And bathrooms and like a covered pavilion up here as well. All right, moving on up the hill. Skating uphill is not easy for me, but I'm trying. All right. Then we're gonna go over the railroad crossing. Very nice, as you can see. Railroad. It's usually just the Tropicana train that comes through here in general, but this is very slippery. You can see the railroad tracks because it has been raining recently. So I'm gonna do little turns and go in reverse so I don't wreck myself.
Good practice for those outdoor skills.
Outdoor skills, turn, scoot. All right, off we go. Going down the hill. Clackety clack, clack, clack. There's like an outdoor amphitheater thingy over here. Let's go around here. I've never actually seen any sort of performances here, but there's like a seating area and then like a stage area. Hey, Kev. Or you have like I don't know, you could have like some sort of a concert or poetry reading. I don't know, drama performance perhaps. All right, moving on. And yeah, so we're still skating along the Riverwalk. There's some swings here along the Riverwalk. You can hang out and swing. We're coming up toward the Green Bridge here on our right. We have a big tower up here. Bradenton, Riverwalk. Hey, I haven't done like a...
Nice to see everyone smiling. I love that we go outdoor skating.
Oh yeah, it is. People tend to smile when they see roller skates. People associate roller skates with fun and with nostalgia sometimes. There's a nice looking dog there. All right, there's a dock right there for fishing and boating and so forth. It's a little slick, watch it. I'm just trying not to wreck myself here. It's been a while since I've done like an outdoor skate, so it's kind of fun, just like an outdoor adventure skate, just looking around at everything. Under the bridge we go. Here we go. So this is the part that takes us under the Green Bridge. There's a pelican over here. Hi, pelican. How are you, pelican? All right, Kevin's getting up ahead. Under the bridge, it's like a little tunnel. Ooh. A little spooky in here. Kind of loud. You can see all the barnacles growing down there. All right, coming out to the marina here. I believe this used to be the Twin Dolphin Marina. Maybe it still is. But anyway, it's the downtown Bradenton Marina. Hello. All right, so here we are. This is basically where Riverwalk ends, I guess I should say, technically. Hi, puppy. And yeah,